This is a relatively straightforward code challenge for black. The obvious way to make a code is to play here. White will Atari, black cuts, white captures, and this is the correct sequence. Right? So does black have any local code threats? Black might be able to try this. Right? Now white will capture this way, and black will block, and white will Atari from the outside, and black gets to capture back. So this counts as a local code threat, I guess, and the code will continue this way because white doesn't have any local code threats. So our question will be, are there any other moves that white can attempt to try to kill black? Not really after number 1. This is the only move, right? Of course, this is symmetrical, so either number 2 here or here, they're the same. But if white plays something like this, black will live. This way, black will also live. Right, number 2 here doesn't make sense. Black will still live. So number 1 should be pretty obvious. This should be the code. But can number 1 be elsewhere to make a living shape? That's what we should be calculating for. And the answer is actually no. Right? If you play something like this, white can clamp here and connect back. So black must push some pressure on this stone, and that is right here. White can actually stand down here. Now, in order to prevent white from connecting, right, number 4 can connect. Black must play something like this, but obviously this is going to be a dead shape. So number 1 here will fail. What about this? Now white can stand down here again, right? If white plays here, this is going to be another code. This is going to be a living shape, and this is going to be another code here in the corner. But white can stand down here, and once again, black cannot allow white to connect back with number 4. So black needs to play something like this, and this is going to be a fake Seki shape, right? Because eventually, white will be able to Atari here, and black will have to connect here. It's a straight 3, or in this case, black is already dead. So either way, black is dead after white's number 2. And so that is why the only move for black is right here at the 2-1 point, and this code should be relatively straightforward and easy to see. I hope you enjoyed this challenge, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you for watching.